the 10th webinar, and this is in the form of a course review, right? So we will, in fact, I will take whatever questions you have, and then we'll just go over the whole thing and review the sessions. And as we are reviewing, I think many of you would get some sort of, some thought here and there and some query, and we can sort of, handle that, right? So, are there some questions at the right at the start which I can begin with? Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Shivani this side.
Yes, Shivani.
Sir, I want to ask one thing. While writing an objective,
Yes.
is it important to include all the levels of Bloom's taxonomy? Like there are 6 levels.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
is it like we have to include all those 6 levels while writing an objective, or we
Uh,
should keep in mind while writing them?
okay. See, the two different questions you are asking
Yes,
is,
sir.
one, do we include everyone or do we keep in mind? Number one,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
we should keep in mind all the levels of Bloom's taxonomy. That is there. However, when you are talking of a specific module in the training, then it will perhaps be at one level or at the most at two levels, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's the answer.
Thank
Right.
you.
Okay. Some more questions? Yes. Unmute yourself and shoot out the questions.
Sir, in the ADDIE model, like we had, first of all, good afternoon.
Yeah, good
And a very
afternoon.
happy Guru Purnima also to you, sir. Thank you for being a guide and mentor.
Okay. Thank you. And blessings to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
You
Sir,
put me in a
in
group.
the,
Yeah, okay.
sorry.
So I can give you all the blessings. Okay. And it makes me feel that I have grown up, in the years. Yes. Go ahead. Yes.
Sir, for the ADDIE model, we
Yes.
have on elaboration, you have discussed the design phase, sir. However, I would just ask for the development, implementation, and the evaluation aspect. Suppose, we have some questions in exam. So I was little concerned as per the evaluation because there are different key Patrick's level of evaluation we were just going through. So just to have a clear understanding, how do we approach in case any question comes pertaining to that?
Okay, fine. See, first of all, let's look at the ADDIE model, and I have been using a slight variation on the ADDIE model, right? And in that, we are looking at analysis, which is training need analysis or learning
Yes, sir.
need
Yes.
analysis, and that is getting covered in this particular paper, isn't it? And then we are looking at the design part, and in fact, this particular paper is largely about the design of a training event, training program, or a training module, whatever you call it. Right?
Absolutely, sir.
Right. So here in this course, we have been focusing on the design part of it, and that is where we have looked at the objective setting, and then how do you
Yes, sir. Gagne's
schedule.
theories of 9
Right.
instructional events.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have done all that. Now, when we come to development, I have had conducted one session with you
Yes, sir.
on
Yes.
development, and I have given you the outline of the development. However, for developing a particular learning module, what you really need is more inputs, and those inputs are going to come to you in what is called the presentation skills, right? You
Okay.
also, and presentation skills is also for the delivery, which is implementation.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
That
Absolutely.
is going to come in the second semester. Plus, in the development itself, what is important is what is it that I put in my session. That is in terms of activities, in terms of the presentation, etc. So we have been doing this experiential method and the cognitive training method. So whatever you have learned in the cognitive method and whatever you are learned in and you are learning in the experiential method, these are the ones which help you to really learn the important things by which you can really do the right say action on the development part, right? So
Right, sir.
development, though I have only touched here and give you a broad idea, but for developing a module, you need this input which is coming to you in the training methods cognitive and the training methods experiential, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, now we come to training methods experiential, which you are learning. Now, in terms of, so how do you go ahead and conduct those exercises, etc.? That is being done quite a bit in the facilitation skills, course, which is going to come to you in the second
Yes, in the next semester. Yes,
in
sir.
the next semester. And now we come, the presentation skills, facilitation skills, all that is going to be in the second semester, right? And now we come to the fifth part of the AD, which is evaluation. For the evaluation, we have paper 7, which is
Yes, sir.
the measurement and evaluation of training, right?
Ji.
So in great detail, we will be talking about those issues there. And so don't worry about this. The questions on that
So,
are
sir, then we remain
are be coming
focused
there.
on the analysis and the design as far as this semester goes. That's what a little clarity I
Yeah,
want to
that's
have.
right.
Sir.
That's right. You will see in terms of sort of a number of sessions which I have really, used for this part, which is design, is the largest, right?
Ji, sir. Yes.
Okay. So that is what is to be done. And in fact, when I have used, in the last section, I talked of transfer of learning. Now, transfer of learning is going to be evaluated in the paper 7. However,
Ji.
the elements which are there, which should be right in the design itself, which facilitate transfer of learning, that is what I have covered in this particular course.
But sir, in the design part, we although, however, still discuss the assessment and the evaluation. This because they say when you are designing, you have to, because when you are framing the objectives on the
Yeah.
basis of objectives only, you have to make your assessments.
Yes,
Because
right.
assessments are somewhere or the other only going to be measuring the learning outcome, which is nothing but the objective again.
Yes,
So
yes.
in that part, sir, then how do we handle? Because evaluation would be coming to us. We will be learning more about it in our semester in paper 7.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So no problem. Actual act of evaluation is done in the paper 7, but the actual, the standard that we create against which we can evaluate is actually the objective that we have. The objective. So when I plan to go to say a place like Hyderabad. So my objective is to go to Hyderabad. When I reach that place, then I check whether I have really reached Hyderabad or I have happened to reach somewhere else or Nagpur, right? So that's the difference that we need to. So in evaluation, certainly the standard which against which you are evaluating is the standard which is given by the objective, right? Okay,
G.
right. So right. Okay, so that's how it is. Yeah.
So, but sir, then how do we design the evaluation? Because
You will
that is
learn.
what I'm trying to understand.
You
How
will
do we?
learn.
I mean,
Yeah,
G.
you will learn in detail in this paper 7. So
So,
right
sir,
now,
for now, we just focus on the formative and summative that you mentioned in one of the
yeah,
sessions for evaluation. That would be the format that we would be
yeah,
using.
right. Even in that, we here we are focusing more on formative assessment, not
G.
so much on the summative assessment.
Summative, yes, sir.
Why? Because
Absolutely.
we are not. I mean, the summative assessment will be quite a bit. Will be in our focus in the paper 7. Right
Okay.
now, we are focusing on the this part, which is the formative assessment. Which let's see what we really looked at is that how do I know I am going all right? Right. This is if I am conducting my session then how do I know that I'm going all right, the session is working out to be well, and people are understanding. Now, for that, I need to have what is called the formative assessment, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, formative assessment is not something, it comes at the spur of the moment. Now I have to figure out, and now I design this. No, no, no. Right in the design itself, you bring in that this is where I am going to check, and this is how I am going to check, and that element of formative assessment will be brought by you in the design itself, right?
Okay, sir. Fine.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Further questions?
So, myself, Ritu, sir.
Yeah. Go
Sir,
ahead, Ritu.
yeah, sir, it was really great resource, the videos, and I've already started going on with the business strategy. This is once again a very good tool to recap the all important points in slides, also the content. So,
Yeah.
but somehow I found that I have not still completed with all the subjects like your. I have come in the midway, but there I could notice there were some videos which we were missing. So will it be possible to get those videos online? Because I think your session of third or fourth or fifth, something of that kind is missing there. So I really wanted we should not be deprived of that resource, one point. And secondly, sir, the second point is you often referred about Nick Blanket. And this was a book that you asked us to go through.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah, but unfortunately, sir, in this COVID time, I could not go through that book, but I am sure it will be a very great resource, and it seems to be very expensive on Amazon at the moment. So I was in a dilemma whether I should get it, or is there any way that we can get this online or any library of our institute? So it was just a thought aloud, just to ask from you. And secondly, sir,
Okay.
if it is not there, am I missing something very important if I'm not referring to for my examination purpose?
Okay. Number one, question about videos. Right.
Yes.
It was pointed out by some of you that some videos are missing. So Arun and Gurvinder, because Gurvinder was supporting us up to 17th May or so,
Right.
they are trying to fill the gap. That
Thank
is
you so much.
trying to figure out which one is missing and where you do not have the URL and all that. So just
Sir,
2 days ago, he has actually again taken copies of those videos. However, there seems to be one video which is missing because the recording could not be done, and that was something, it was just forgotten also. So there might be one such video which might be missing.
No
Whether
issue,
that
sir.
was mine or some other person, that I don't really know.
sir,
Right?
sir,
Okay.
I want to,
Just a minute. Let me complete this. The
okay,
other one.
sure.
Or would you
Okay.
like to, Shivani? Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
I
Sir,
can.
actually, I'm chasing Gurvinder from last 1 week, and almost every alternate days I'm dropping him the text
Okay.
regarding the videos, but I'm not getting any reply. So can you please help on that?
Uh, Arun has again taken one full pen drive, and couple of days ago he has given it to Gurvinder again, right? Though Gurvinder himself was having, and also the ones which are now being done by Alok Agarwal, they also are being given to him, and I do hope by in couple of days or so this should be all streamlined. I will be reviewing it again,
Thank
right?
you
Okay,
so much.
thank you
Okay,
so much, sir.
so I'll do that, right?
Thank
Now,
you, sir.
for everyone who is like Ritu is saying about the book on the Blanchard's book, right?
Yeah.
Where are you? I mean, are you in Delhi or
Yes, I'm in Delhi, in South Delhi, sir.
in South Delhi? Easiest is to go to Bear Sarai.
Okay, okay, fine, sir. I got the
You,
point.
you got my, you
Yes, sir.
can
Yes, sir.
get a copy in 200 rupees or maybe like that,
Great,
right?
sir. Great. Thank
Right?
you so much.
That's the best, in this time.
Ritu ma'am, please,
Huh?
sir, please complete. Yes, sir. Then what, sir?
Okay.
Sir, we will get book there.
No, no, no. See, Bear Sarai is known to the people who are in South Delhi and people who are at, there we have a 4 5 bookshops which purchase and also sell, second-hand books.
Okay.
Normally, if you are not getting a book anywhere, well, earlier we used to go to Daryaganj on Sunday, and then we used to get all the old books and second-hand books and all that. Now, Bersarai for the South Delhi, Bersarai is the best. I understand the Daryaganj market is not happening nowadays. Nowadays means it has been closed or something. Or, right?
Actually, they showed it on one day, sir, on Sundays, and the venue has been now changed for Daryaganj.
Some problem, something. I haven't gone for years together to that site. So that's the thing. So best is to go to Besrai, and on one of those shops you will be able to get that.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Mike Blanket.
So,
Sir,
sir,
the
from
book
your
name is
end,
Mike
any
Blanket. The book name is Mike Blanket. What is the name of the book, sir?
Effective strategy, I think.
Yeah. Okay. I'll bring it.
Okay.
The name of the book is Effective Training, 5th edition.
Anybody in the team has it, this book?
So here is the book, right? Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is Effective Training. I don't know. ये उल्टा दिख रहा है या सीधा दिख रहा है?
से सीधा दिख रहा है.
क्या दिख रहा है?
चलो.
जी.
Effective Training, Systems, Strategies, and Practices, right? And this is
Right.
Nick Blanchard, right? Okay. So
Right.
there is typically this one is also co-authored by Arun Ram, right? So you should be able to get that, right?
Right.
Quite a good book, right? Okay.
Right.
Even I bought this book from Amazon.
Okay.
It was
You can get it on
14,000 something on Amazon, na, sir?
It should be available on Amazon.
500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is by Pearson and Pearson, India. And it has it is printed in India.
Right.
Right. So should not be a problem. Right.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. So we'll just look at this.
And one more thing, sir. We had often various webinars also, like Kirkpatrick model and all those models. Are they like we in the syllabus of the first semester? Those webinars which were exposed, or it was the additional resource?
No, that's not there right now.
Okay.
It is not in the syllabus of first semester.
Right,
That's
sir.
going to be in the paper 7, and it will be done in detail that time.
Right, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. Right. So yeah. Okay. Further questions?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Sir, I would like to know about the pattern of the examination. Likewise, do we have decided for the objective part, or it would be on a descriptive mode?
See, as far as examination is concerned, what we are exploring are that there can be an online examination, right? Now, once there is an online examination, have to also assess what should be the pattern of the examination, right? So we have had presentation by 2 agencies who are giving us online examination solution. Tomorrow we are also to have another pilot test of one of the agency, and their software we are going to assess, and we are inviting something like 20-25 students from all over India participate in that and give us the feedback whether this is working well or not working well, etc. What should be the so we are through with this and take a decision about whether we are going online, and if we are going online, the pattern of examination will have to be reworked. So far, the pattern of examination has been that in 80 marks, you have to do 5 questions, and parts, part A and part B. A may have 4 or 5 questions, and you have to do about 3 questions from the part B, which has got you have to do two sort of questions. Part B is application oriented. Now, if we make this, my recommendation would be that we make it largely application based, right? So that's that will be my recommendation. But let's see, final decision will be taken uh, by the diploma board.
Because sir, what happened at the time of assignment submission, the particular software was not saving our answers in a one go. Somehow, likewise, if I have started my writing down my questions, so it was close to 400 and 500 words. Then if I log out, then the whole content was got disappeared. Then again I have to write down. Then someone suggested that we can write down our answers into the word separate sheet. Then the whole answer could be transferred to the particular software. So
Right.
at that time, examination was not challenge faced by all of us. So that was the big issue with that.
Yeah, I can understand, Pankaj, because in the assignment you did not have a time limit also. So you could have taken either 15 minutes or maybe 2 hours. It doesn't really matter. Online examination will be time bound, and therefore we are actually checking whether there are going to be such glitches or not. So actually tomorrow afternoon we are going to have a particular pilot test which will be for about 1 hour. You people also have got the message from Avinash, and if you respond, you can sort of join in, right? There is only about 25 people in the beginning. Why? Because we are only getting this as a dummy run, and we'll check out all these problems which are possibly which can happen, and we have to ensure that these problems don't occur, right, in the final go. So that is why we
Sure,
are
sir.
doing this pilot run, right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
right. So let's look at this.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
good afternoon,
Go ahead.
and a happy Purnima. I just wanted to, to talk about what we had done in our courses, specifically in instructional design. And I feel like there are a few topics or models which I, usually come across. And, is it like recommended for us to also do it on our own and, able to understand it? Like when I talk about the instructional design models, we did it with you, the ADDIE model, Gagne's 9 events of instruction model, and the Merrill's principle of instruction model, which are very important. Merrill's being the modern one. But there are few models like Assure model, the Kemp instructional design model, which we didn't touch upon.
Yeah, we have limited ourselves to a few things. For example, okay, we'll come to that. I did approximation